Today I'll be teaching you guys how you guys can watch your own live on Instagram. Now, if you're currently going live on Instagram and you want to watch your live when you're live, you need to create a second Instagram account, and from that second Instagram account, you need to follow your account and watch the live. But let's say your live has already ended and you want to see it again. What you can do is click on your profile picture at the bottom right, and on your profile your video will be available. Now over here, this was my live video. As you guys can see, it says live at the bottom. Now I went live, and basically when the live ended, Instagram asked me a question whether I wanted to save my live video or not. So I agreed to save my live video. That's why it's available over here on my profile. So if you saved your live as well, it's going to be available on your profile. You can come here and check it. But if you haven't saved your live, then of course it's going to be deleted and there's no way to watch it again. So that's how you guys can watch your own Instagram live, either by creating your account or by saving it to your profile. So if you guys found our video helpful, hit the subscribe to our channel, How to Guide, for future videos like this. I'll see you guys next time. Until then, bye bye and have a nice day.